Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Grammarly to polish LinkedIn headlines and summaries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Grammarly dashboard. Here, you'll find options for different types of writing. For LinkedIn headlines and summaries, you can use the Grammarly editor. To access the Grammarly editor, either click on New Document or select an existing one. Copy your LinkedIn headline or summary from your LinkedIn profile, paste it into the Grammarly editor. Grammarly will automatically start analyzing your text. Look for suggestions highlighted in red for critical issues and yellow for style suggestions. Click on each highlighted area to view Grammarly's recommendations. Make necessary adjustments based on Grammarly's feedback. If you want to customize your writing tone, click on the goals icon in the sidebar. Select the tone, intent, audience, and domain to tailor Grammarly's suggestions. After making your changes, review the text for additional feedback. Once you are satisfied with the content, copy it back to your LinkedIn profile. Open LinkedIn in another tab or window and navigate to your profile. Edit your headline and summary by pasting the polished text. Double-check for any last-minute adjustments. Finally, save the changes to update your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.